Let's put together a cord draw R-track track. I'm going to use a right and a left master carrier for drapery pin holders, some drapery pin carriers, and my end piece, which has to have the pulley on it. Now you need to have a left pulley and a right pulley to make this work. If you look at the cross section of this track, it's got a small hole and a large hole, and you can see that the master carrier has an extra plastic piece on the back of it. That's so that when the master carrier goes in, it actually hugs that track. So the wheels go in the small hole, and when we go to string it, the cord is going to go in the larger hole. So I have my right master carrier on. I'm loading the drapery pin carriers. And the end cap comes with a drapery pin carrier on it. It's going to go into the larger hole in the back of the track, and it's a little bit of a snug fit, so if you just get it started and then push it in nice and tight, and you do want to tighten it down, so I'm using that same hex head screwdriver and just tightening that screw down. So what I've done on the right side of the track, I now need to do to the left side of the track. Same profile, wheels go in the small part, drapery pin carriers, and the end piece. And tighten that one down. And this is what your track's going to look like. Let's cover some of the most popular products in our R-track system. First, you get to choose between two types of carriers. We have the roller carrier and the friction carrier. You're going to have 3 tracks to choose from. This would be the ceiling mount track for baton. We have a ceiling or wall mount track for baton. And then we have a ceiling mount or wall mount track for cord draw. Along with your track, you want to decide how you're going to end your track. This would be a return that has the snap on it for ripple fold, or you could do an end cap that just caps off the end track. Our most popular master carriers would be the right and left master carrier for ripple fold. You can tell they're ripple fold carriers by the track, by the snap that's on the track. And also this would have your baton hook down here, so your baton is going to be behind your drapery panel. This would be your right and left master carrier for a drapery pin. Also has your baton hooking behind. If you'd like your baton to be in front, you would choose a master carrier like this. This would hook into the stiffener that you would sew into your drapery panel. And if you want your baton to come over the top of your drapery panel, you would choose this master carrier. And you always want to use the metal attachment on batons. A few of the carriers that we have for drapery pin, we have a standard carrier. We have a wide carrier that has 2 adjustment holes in it. And we have the new slimline carrier that has 3 adjustment holes for length. We have a standard mount bracket, which is adjustable from 2 to 3.5 inches. We have a 2-inch extender bracket, a double hung bracket, and the traditional snap-in bracket. And don't forget that you're going to need one of the new cord tensioner devices.